Hey, what's going on, guys? Ben with 6 Element here. Today we're going to be installing our V2 motor mount on our Elantra Sport.
Alright, now to get started, there's going to be a couple tools that you need to get you through the install. You're going to need a torque wrench, you're going to need a fairly big ratchet, we suggest a 1/2 inch, a 3/8 or 19mm socket, an 11/16 or 17mm socket or wrench, and a 14mm socket or wrench. Now, the first step is going to be to remove the nut and bolt from the front of the motor mount. And now you're going to go ahead and start to loosen up the rear bolts that are holding in the back of the motor mount. And once you've got those out, just go ahead and put it to the side and install your new motor mount bracket. You're going to want to put the 6 Element logo facing down so it can be seen from the underside of the car. Then go ahead and put your supplied bolt through the back of the motor mount and attach the supplied hardware. Now, you're going to want your flat washer to go first and then followed by your lock washer. You're going to want to start tightening this down, but don't tighten it all the way yet. Torque specs will be provided at the end of the video. Now you're going to go ahead and reinstall the bolt through the front of the motor mount. And now go ahead and finish up by tightening everything down. And there you have it, the install of the V2 motor mount from 6 Element. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we will see you in the next video.